Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to know if there is any server issues going on with Twitch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know what server problem is going on with Twitch, you just simply have to open your Twitch application at very first, and after opening the Twitch application, you will get to see this profile picture icon into top left. Just simply tap into that option and then you have to choose account settings in here. Then after tapping into account setting, you will get so many varieties of options. You just simply have to select this help option in here, and after tapping into the help option, you will get so many related topics in here. And if there is any server problem going on, it will show into a yellow box just like this. As you can see here, currently there is 2FA SMS issue going on with Twitch, and whenever you check there is this yellow box, then there is some specific server issue with Twitch. This way you can easily check it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.